Hey guys, today I want to show you what is inside this Vinyl Basics box. How cute is that sticker? Okay, so we're just going to go through everything that's inside to give you an idea of what you're getting and how to use it. So let's get this opened up. All right, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so when you open it up, there is a sheet inside that is going to tell you everything that is inside of this. We have a mix of heat transfer and adhesive, and this will give you a list of sizes and everything that is inside. So let me show you how awesome it is when you first open it up. There's so much vinyl it's filling out. Okay, so let's start with this first layer here. This is the heat transfer layer. So first up is Mermaid Blue Glitter. So heat transfer is for use for anything that is fabric or that can withstand the heat. So t-shirts, kitchen towels, all sorts of fun stuff. Next up is Holographic in Rainbow Pearl. The glitter and this holographic are both 9x12s. Next up is our Easy Weed in Black. This is an awesome basic heat transfer. And then inside that black is your white in Stretch. So Stretch is good for onesies or anything that you want to give a little, like maybe workout t-shirts or just anything that you need to stretch a little bit. Next up is our patterned heat transfer. This is in the thin stripe. And this is just like the Easy Weed or the glitter. You cut it. Let me show you this full guy. So you actually cut it on the back. Heat transfer is made up of 3 layers. So you've got a clear carrier sheet, then the actual vinyl, and then this back is adhesive. It's not sticky until you heat it up. So you actually cut on this back part and you cut through the adhesive and the vinyl. You don't cut through this clear carrier sheet. You leave that on there. We've got all the cut settings on our website that you can check out. So you will need to mirror your image to cut on heat transfer. This goes for any of our heat transfers. Next up, we have Metal in Mirror Gold. This is so fun. It is so shiny and it's heat transfer. So you can put it on a shirt if you want a fun pop of color. Okay. And then last but not least, we have this multi-use paper. So this is great for use when you are layering. So say you put down a heart and then you've got some words. So you put down your heart and then you peel off that clear carrier sheet so you can put your words down, and then you've got some exposed vinyl. You'll want to cover that up before you heat press your next layer. So this is great for that. Or if you've cut out some vinyl and you're not quite ready to press it to a shirt yet, you can store it on this and then it'll keep dust and things from getting out of it. Okay, now in the middle layer, we've got 4 sheets here. The first 2 that are gridded like this is printable heat transfer. You use this in an inkjet printer. You print on this side and cut it out on your silhouette or your Cricut, and then you can apply it to your shirt. We've got full instructions on our website at expressionsvinyl.com. And then the next 2 sheets are plain on both sides. This is printable vinyl, adhesive vinyl. So you don't heat this up. You put it through your inkjet printer and you can cut out your own stickers. If you want to make stickers for a water bottle or for your planner, this is really fun stuff. And it's actually water resistant. So it can withstand some water and some washing. Our next layer is adhesive. Look how fun all those colors are. So first up is that gold chrome. So this is adhesive. Don't get it confused with your heat transfer. They look very similar, but this is a lot more rigid. You'll be able to tell by the feel. It's got a paper backing, but this one is adhesive. Next up, we have Oracal 651 in black. And then inside of that black, we have some white 631. So the 651 has a permanent adhesive, the black, and then the white one has a matte finish and a removable adhesive. So if you're doing stuff on walls, this is the one you want. If you're doing stuff outside or like on a water bottle, you'll want the 650 one, the black one. And then we have our pattern stripes. Again, this is the same as that heat transfer, but you will be able to tell the difference. You'll be able to feel it. This is more rigid. This is a softer feel. So this is the pattern stripes and adhesive. This also has a permanent adhesive. So great for use on cups and tumblers and all that fun stuff. And then we have opal. This is one of my favorite vinyls. The color in this box is blue, but it's hard to tell what color it is because it changes. It looks purple, it looks pink. It just depends on the light and the direction. And then inside of that opal, you have etched. So if you cut this out and put it on a glass or like a wine glass, it looks like it's etched. So pretty. And that also has a permanent adhesive. Okay. We also gave you a glitter. So this is glitter in rose gold, and the sparkle in that, oh, I love it. It's so pretty. And then we have transfer tape, and we want to give you both kinds. So in here, you've got a clear transfer tape and also a paper transfer tape. Now these do have a paper backing, so you'll have to peel the transfer tape off of that backing and then lay it on your vinyl to help you transfer it. We are going to have all sorts of fun videos to help you guys know how to use this box, know how to use the vinyl. So if you're a beginner or if you just want to start your stash, this is a really great box to get. Those are all the adhesives. And then let's put in those heat transfers so you can get another look at them. There is just so much in this box. It's not fitting all back in very well, but there's another look at the heat transfers. And then don't forget those printables. The heat transfer printable and the adhesive printable. Stay tuned right here at expressionsvinyl.com for lots of fun projects and how to use these. See you guys.